Hello! In today's video, we built a bunker in like that area up at Campy VIP. Yeah, and I'm with this Scooby. With this Goofy. This Goofy. Goober. Yeah. So let's get straight into it. Alright, so we are building up here. So this is where the secret bunker is gonna be. It's gonna have like a door and everything. You can stick around to the end to see it be transformed. I don't know. Anyways, let's get the building. So I was thinking, like, we take this, right? Then like we have a door. Wait, hold up. I have an idea. Oh, what the heck?
At least we are together. I know I'm not alone.
Something in here?
You have?
Yeah, look.
Oh, shoot. Okay, so my idea of what? Okay, my idea. Yeah. Damn. Oh my gosh, this. Okay, you know what? Let's just screw the door part. I have an idea. No, Jason says that died, so we are gonna have to do this by myself, guys. So, yeah. Let's get to building. Why is it so hard? Oh my gosh. No, okay, whatever. We have that right for now, but yeah. So I think my plan is to like add different weapons along the wall. So yeah, let's get doing that. What other? Yeah, so we have a weapons one over here. I'm gonna do melee weapons. No, but I'm gonna do a crowbar. Anyways, we're gonna do a crowbar, a bat, and a great sword. And pretty sure. Let's see how that works out. See if it need to go get goop. So. Alrighty. Oh, what is that? The crowbar. I'll add that. Boom. This is how it's turning out so far. Forgot we had that. We also have that. Pretty cool. Yeah. So we're gonna add more decoration. Yep. So let's see all we can add. Oh, wait a minute. What if we take some of that? Oh, that makes it way easier. Oh, easier then. Okay, there we go. Now I have like party things around, weapons. I was planning to do something with the backpack. Oh, we also do need like food. So, chips, coffee, those sort of things. Oh, no backpack. We'll just take that for now. Alrighty. The coffee. The backpack. Where did the backpack go? No. Alright, whatever. Now we just got here a piece of goop. Oh, there's a backpack. That could have been helpful earlier. Add some chips. And then, let's see. Oh, wait a minute. What if we add this nice and cozy chain? Alrighty. Oh, yeah. Yo, that's sick. Look at this bunker. We got weapons, mainly food. Cheer to look at the nice animal. Let's see if we can add anything else. Wait, I just got. If it's probably not big enough though. I don't know. Let's see what else. I'm pretty sure that's all we can do. Alrighty guys, I'm pretty sure. I think I'm finished. So here's the final results. We got like an LED thing here. Some coffee, chips. I'm not gonna eat this on the one-time banana. Shotgun. And your revolver. Sword. Bat. Crowbar. And yeah. A nice little chair to see out in the animal. Oh, to see the nice animal crossing the world. Alright, I'm pretty sure that's it for today's video. There will be more videos coming out. Anyways, see ya. Awesome VR is out.